Oh yeah, we're gonna start shooting. What's up, guys? Today I'm putting a tint on this black car. I just threw TE on this temporarily, but it looks good. What do you guys think? Bronze TE on 34. Since I can't put a VSKF on this until I put all the arms, get all the cameras in, Lina's gonna help me and put tint on. Pretty easy. Just gotta take door cards and clean the window and slap it on. So today I'm using something like this and razor blade and some sprayer and paper towel. She's getting the door trim off right now. One panel is down and she's gone the other side. I'm about to clean this window. Got it down one side. Looks pretty good from far away, but not. I didn't do a really good job. I'm gonna leave it for now. Tinted now. Not pro, but works for now. On to the other side. Hopefully I can do a better job. Gotta take door panels off. Gotta clean your clothes so this animal hair doesn't get in your tint. This side, we did an awesome job. Came out super clean. Well, what do we do different this time? I put more soap in the water so it's slick. We were able to move it around. Last time we couldn't, it got stuck. So I had to like peel it. So where I touched it, but this side came out pretty good. Except I got one dog hair. Came out pretty good. So all we needed was a little bit more soap, so we were able to slide it around. Yep. I'm gonna go get my new Y34 and put those RECARO red bucket seat in this. I think red bucket seat will look cool in here. Okay, let's go. Gotta move this to get to this. Taking this RECARO. I gotta swap seats. This one and this one. I'm out. Now is a good time to clean under your seat. Pretty dirty.
なんかビデオの方が赤が真っ赤に見える。うん。
I got music video shoot for my boy Santa World View. Gotta take this thing out.
That's heavy.
Same thing. Alright, bumpers on. Front done. VSKF. How many of you guys like VSKF? Or T37? Only rub I need is a back rub. Front end is TDs. Look at that camber. Negative camber. Alright, onto the rear. Trying to get same camber as front. Matching. This look. KF looks so gangster. 19-inch KF. Got coilovers off. We're so dead. Gotta take coilovers from this car. Same thing. Rear seat. Swap it. We're dead. Yeah, it's so fun.
Hey man, you wanna work on cars? Yeah dude, sounds super fun.
Yeah. But we're building like show car status in one night. A lot of work. A lot of time.
We did my car too.
Yeah.
And we worked on
334s. 10-hour shift.
Oh, we're still going, man. It's gonna be a 12-hour shift. Actually.
14 hours probably. Alright. Stay with us, guys.
They're not tired.
Smash that. You're not tired. I know you're not tired. Smash that like button.
You're watching this at 10 o'clock in the morning. You're about to start your day.
Yeah.
We're just dying.
We're dying. For you guys. Pretty much.
Smash that like button.
Smash that like button. We got pop coilovers loosened. Almost off. Whew. One's out. Gotta put this in. It says
That.
other side. This is done. Gonna get other side. Finish the rear. Both sides. Gotta put the interior back in. It's 3:30, past 3:30. Fishermen's are going out. Got it pretty good. Didn't even roll fender yet. Oh yeah. This side's got way too much camber. I'll adjust it tomorrow. I'm gonna clean up and gonna go to sleep. I gotta wake up still and do camber adjustment, toe adjustment, and final height adjustment, and this thing be ready. I worked so hard today, 14-hour shift, pretty much. If you guys enjoy it, smash that like button for me. It means a lot to me. Editing videos hard, filming's hard, a lot of work though. Please like and comment, it means a lot to me. Thanks for staying with me, and thanks for watching my video.
Peace.
Today I'm on my way to shoot a music video in my black 34 for my homie. His name is Santa Worldview. I put VSKF last night, fitted out, and this morning I only slept like a couple hours and worked on the car all day. Didn't have time to film, but I was just doing toe adjustment, camera adjustment, heights, and just back to back, just making it perfect, as perfect as possible. And now it drives solid, no rubbing, fitted out. I don't know what I can film there, but we're meeting up with him right now, and he didn't even tell me details, but we're gonna use my 34 for his music video. First music video shoot in Japan. I've done once in state for Kid Inc. in my 240, the Ferrari 240 with EOP, but that was it. That was one and only I've done. And well, Koji have done, my S15 has been in one of our homies' music video before, but I was in state, so this is actually first time shooting a music video in Japan. Stoked. I'm glad I was able to put the VSKF and fit it out only in like 24 hours. But enjoy today's video. Be hanging out with all the rapper homies.
Hey!
お疲れ!
来てくれてありがとう
Santa Worldview in the house!
それよりこっちの方がやばいって全然俺よりこっち
楽しみだね。
いいねやばすぎるこれはやべえぞ艶がやばい
よかったわ。よかった。
暗なのに光ってるもん
光当たれば
ね
逆に反射するから。
反射するっしょ、ピカピカやん
ピカピカにしてきたよ、サンタのために。
さすがじゃん。今日はもうこれ映せば勝ちなんでね、この PV。
よっしゃ。
外国人からいろんなコメント来る。車がやばすぎる。曲より車がやばすぎる。
いや、曲もやばいな。We're gonna start shooting. Those artists are already in standby. The scene is I'm gonna drive back here and picking them up.
Yeah.
Koji is gonna film everything for me, so you guys can see everything.
ちょっとお名前伺ってもいいですか。小太郎です。小太郎くん。小太郎さんと井上君けどでなんか電話かなんか繋いどいてもらって、向こう行ってどのタイミングでもう一回来ても。
just did one section where I came around. We're gonna do another with different camera, mounting camera on my car and stuff. With some baller cameras. Sheesh. So glad to be able to get this car dialed and have them use my car in his music video.
黒光ってるね。
黒やばいっすね。なんか普通の車の質感じゃないっすね。
ないよね。
ぬめっとしてる。
綺麗にしてきた会話で。
あ、そうなんですね。ありがとうございます。助かります。あ、いいね。
ここいいね。ここいいね。だいぶ映せてるね。
あー、来てる。これだね。ここ通ればいいね。
この感じ。
街の映り方もバカええやん。
照明こんぐらいでよかった。明るすぎない。くっそ黒光りかっこいい。
超いかつ。
くっそ黒光りかっこいいんだけど。
そうだよ。
あー、それも映ってんのか。
おいかっけー。
Thanks.
ガチでいい。
ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
楽しみにしてる。
中の電源つけた時のあれマジやばかった。
めっちゃ興奮言って
マジ
Thank you!
3月に出るぜ、ここの PV。
た。Yeah!
またな。
またね。
ありがとう。
じゃあね。
じゃあね。ありがとうございます。
どうも
気をつけて。Take care, guys.
Thank you. Well, that's a wrap. Finished the music video. That was fun. Well, it's gonna come out in next month, so stay tuned. I'll let you guys know too. But that was it. I'm so glad I was able to use this in his music video, and he was super stoked. I'm stoked. I was actually in the music video too. So it'll be sick. It was sick.